What separates a living organism from the inanimate world around it? It's a question as old as human curiosity itself. Imagine this: a single seed falls into the soil, dormant and still, but with just the right amount of sunlight, water, and nutrients. It transforms into a towering tree. Or consider the trillions of cells in your body, each working tirelessly to keep you alive, replicating, repairing, and responding to your environment. These examples highlight something extraordinary. Life is not just about existence, it's about a set of unique properties that define what it means to be alive. From the ability to grow and reproduce to responding to stimuli and maintaining homeostasis, every living organism shares these core characteristics. But have you ever wondered how these properties intertwine to create the complexity of life as we know it? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes we'll unravel the defining traits that distinguish living things from non-living matter. And trust me, the insights you'll gain will change the way you look at the world around you. Before proceeding, here's a simple mnemonic to help you remember these 7 characteristics of life. Our minds have great reasoning ability. O for organization, M for metabolism, H for homeostasis, G for growth and development, R for reproduction, R for response to stimuli, A for adaptation. 1. Cellular organization. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells. The cell is the basic unit of life. Think of it as the smallest unit that can perform all functions necessary for life. Prokaryotic cells, simple cells without a nucleus, like bacteria. Eukaryotic cells, complex cells with a nucleus, found in plants, animals. If something lacks cells, it isn't alive. I have created a detailed lecture on the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. You can watch it by visiting my channel. 2. Reproduction. Life has the ability to reproduce and create offspring, ensuring the survival of the species. Asexual reproduction. One parent produces genetically identical offspring, like bacteria dividing in half. Sexual reproduction. Two parents contribute genetic material to create a unique individual, as seen in humans. Without reproduction, life wouldn't continue. 3. Metabolism. Metabolism refers to the chemical processes that maintain life, encompassing two types: anabolism, building up molecules like proteins and DNA; catabolism, breaking down molecules to release energy. In simple terms, metabolism is how organisms obtain and use energy to perform vital functions like movement and growth. 4. Homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability to maintain a stable internal environment, even when external conditions change. Examples include maintaining body temperature, blood sugar levels, and pH balance. For instance, humans sweat to cool down or shiver to warm up, keeping body temperature around 98.6 Fahrenheit, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Growth and development. Living organisms grow and develop over time. Growth, increase in size and mass. Development, changes in structure and function, like a caterpillar becoming a butterfly. This property highlights how organisms evolve and mature throughout their lifespan. 6. Response to stimuli. All living things respond to their environment. A stimulus is anything that causes a reaction, Plants turn toward sunlight to maximize photosynthesis. Animals might move toward food or away from danger. This responsiveness is essential for survival, allowing organisms to adapt to their surroundings. 7. Adaptation. Through evolution, life evolves over generations, adapting to environmental changes. Evolution occurs through genetic variation and natural selection. Adaptations increase an organism's chances of survival and reproduction. For example, the long neck of a giraffe helps it reach leaves high in trees, an evolutionary advantage. Question of the day. What process involves organisms producing offspring? Only a genius can answer in the comments below. If you would like to watch my other lectures on topics like the lungs, kidneys, liver, brain and eyes, visit my channel to view my other videos.